So today is really special. You get to learn all about the amazing world of robotics. And I just think it's so amazing. You're looking right now at a robot named Perseverance. And this robot is getting ready to go to Mars. You can see how big it is. It's huge. And this team is putting it all together. They're having to carefully pack it because it has a long journey to go to space. You can see everyone's wearing protective gear because they don't want to contaminate it with anything as it's going to be studying another planet. So you're going to be working with a robot today. And the robot you're going to be working with, you're going to be learning how to program it, and you're going to be taking it out of its box and learning all about its different sensors and capabilities. Perseverance had to go on a big trip to get ready to go to space. And they're taking it to Florida so it can get some more things it needs to be able to land on the planet Mars. Your robots got to your school on an airplane as well, and some trucks brought them to your classroom, and you'll be opening up that special box just like this to see what's inside. They're going to be putting on the landing mechanism. There it is. That thing has these rocket packs that helps the robot slow down, and then it has a parachute so that it doesn't get hurt when it lands. And this is the most exciting part. Look, it's getting loaded into a capsule so it can be put on the tip of the rocket. So you can see all of these teams have been working together. And you'll be working with teams at your school to create your own robot. And you'll be working with lots of people and getting lots of ideas. So let's show you some of the parts of your robot. Today I want you to customize your robot. There's a lot of different pieces you can build onto it. I also want you to learn about the buttons and sensors on the top and the bottom. Once you're done, I want you to name your robot and start your robot journal. So you'll write the date and you'll start to record all of the things we're going to do. And remember, have fun.